Here is how I make a steak sandwich. First, I start by heating my pan. I'm using ribeye steak. I normally don't use any specific cut of steak when I do something like this. I use either whatever's in sale or whatever I have in my fridge. My grandma taught me at a young age that you can make something amazing out of nothing. To season my steak, I'm using Mom K Food, an exotic steak. And I'm using this because this is my favorite seasoning. This is not my company. A lot of people think this is my company. It's not. This is not a sponsored video. I just love this product, and I will leave the link in the description so you guys can check it out if you want to. So now I'm searing my steak, cooking it up, and I normally like my steak rare, but for a steak sandwich, I'm going a medium rare. I'm sorry, a medium well. So now I'm going to be cutting my bread. I'm just using some bolillos that I got from Food for Less, and all of my knives I buy from Smart and Final. FYI, I get asked that a lot, and they're only like $9.99 each. I'm using butter to butter the buns, and I recommend that you guys use real butter and not margarine. That will take your cooking game to a whole other level. People will think you've been like a professional cook for years. Just little tips like this go a long way, trust me. So now I'm buttering the outside of the bun. I never said that I cook healthy. I know this is terrible, but trust me, it is guaranteed to keep your spouse happy. Now I am opening up my little toaster thingy, and I'm toasting my buns, and now I'm going to be adding Monterey Jack cheese. You can use Swiss or provolone, but this is what I had, and it came out so amazing, so my husband says. So now I am slicing my delicious juicy steak. Literally, this is the best part of the entire video, I think. I mean, look how juicy that is. I love me some steak, you guys. Like, literally, I love red meat. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding it inside of my bread, and you can add as much as you want. I didn't add that much. I just kind of, wanted it to be like nice and thin and easy to eat. Now I'm adding Grey Poupon mustard because that's my favorite and it's super fancy. It reminds me of the commercials. Anyways, I'm adding spinach because I prefer spinach over lettuce. That's just me. I don't know. But this is how you do it, you guys. Super easy and guaranteed to keep your man happy.